10 things you need to know before playing Pokemon TCG Pocket. So, first of all, you need to understand the basics of energy and attacks. Every Pokemon card needs energy cards to attack. Each Pokemon has specific energy types required for its attacks, and knowing how to balance energy in your deck is crucial. Know your Pokemon types. There are multiple types of Pokemon, e.g., water, fire, psychic, and each has strengths and weaknesses against other types. Understanding type matchups and helps you plan effective strategies. So, learn different card types. Pokemon TCG has Pokemon, Trainer, and Energy cards. Pokemon are your attackers. Trainer cards offer unique actions, and Energy cards power your attacks. Knowing how to use each is essential. And you need to familiarize yourself with evolution chains. Basic Pokemon, it can evolve into stronger forms. Learning when to evolve and which evolutions to include in your deck is key strategy for increasing your power during battles. And you need to study the rules for playing trainer cards. Trainer cards can be played to draw extra cards like heal Pokemon or switch Pokemon and more. Some have special rules like supporters cards that can be played once per turn, so knowing the limitation is helpful. And you need to master the deck building rules. A standard Pokemon TCG deck has 60 cards with a limit of 4 copies of any single card, excluding basic energy cards. Experiment with ratio of Pokemon, trainers, and energy for balanced play. And you need to learn about the special abilities and status effects. Some Pokemon have abilities or can inflict special conditions like paralyzed or burn that affect gameplay. Knowing how these abilities work can give you an edge in a tricky situation. And you need to understand the prize cards. At the start of the game, each player places 6 cards face down as a prize card. When you knock out an opponent, a Pokemon, you take one. The goal is to collect all your prize cards first to win. You need to keep up with expansions and rotations. Pokemon TCGs releases new expectations regularly, but only most recent ones are allowed in standard tournaments. So rotations affect which cards are playable, and to stay updated and to stay competitive. All right. And lastly, practice Pokemon strategy and patience. The Pokemon TCG is a much about strategic plan than it is about luck, right? Learn when to attack, defend, or retreat when to make the most out of each turn. And remember that that experience builds skill. And with these essentials, you'll be set to start playing and enjoying the game to its fullest. All right. And basically, if you are new to Pokemon TCG card, first you need to open your cards, and they will actually force you to pick a card and then start the game. But you will need to, of course, link your account with Google. Let me click the 3 bars at the bottom right, and you need to link your account. You're gonna see this window available to you if you are new to Pokemon TCG, and they will ask you to link your account to Nintendo, Apple, or Google account. In my case, I've linked my account to a Google account. Secondly, and after you opened your first cards, you're gonna see this is the card I've already opened, right? And basically, you need to reach a level 3. All right, reaching a level 3 requires from you to basically play and unpack cards. So you need to unpack cards and start, unpacking by clicking open right here, and you're gonna be able to get the opportunity to basically open your card. So I'm gonna skip right here. Right, I'm gonna see right here. I've got this card, right? And basically, once I got that card, I'm gonna be able to level up on my game, and probably I'm gonna be able to reach the level 3, right? And as you can see right here, I have opened the and I got my card right here, right? So I'm gonna tap right here to proceed, and as you can see, I got so much cards right here on my pocket, right? I'm gonna wait for right here, and as you can see, I need to unpack so many cards in order to do that. And next, you need to complete the battle, complete the battle tutorial, right? So basically, in order to complete the battle tutorial, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and visit your card. And basically, you're gonna see what requires from you to actually get or obtain those cards. So basically, you're gonna go ahead and unpack cards as well, and you need to basically unpack cards. And if you want to unlock battle, it says right here you need to reach at least a level 3. So I'm gonna unpack cards, right? And I'm gonna try to open cards, and basically if I reach the level 3, I'm gonna be able to basically choose battles, right? So I'm gonna unpack this card, and as you can see, right, I'm gonna proceed, right? I'm gonna proceed. And as you can see, I got Splash, got Fire Blast, and that will help me with my game, right? As you can see right here, I took 21 cards. So as you can see right here, I got the card, and as you can see, still I need to reach a level 3, and basically I could go back, or I can just go ahead and open the card, and as you can see right here, I have to wait at least 11 hours, right? So the next day I have to do it. So basically go and do the same thing with your other cards right here, like that one, right? And then basically unpack that card in the same step. You're gonna be able to go into battles, and you need to win a solo battle. So you will go 2 battles to battle, right? After you reach a level 3, and you're gonna be able to basically win and upgrade your Pokemon, right? You can lose sometimes, but this is the gist of it if you want to reach higher level, right? And basically another advice that I want to basically give you, right? You need to first edit a deck, apply card sleeves to a deck, and apply playmat to a deck. Register 1 friend, register 3 friends, send 1 thanks, send 5 thanks, win 3 solo battles, reach player level 6, obtain flare 1 time, obtain flare 2 times, and link your Nintendo account. Completing the 9 advanced missions, you're gonna get 120 hour glasses. Okay, so in order to achieve a higher level, as we said before, you need to complete the advanced missions, right? And of course, don't forget to go to your shopping center, right? If you in your home page, and you're gonna get the basically the coins, right? And you're gonna buy with tickets. Like here, you can buy Wonder Hourglass for 18 tickets, right? So in my case, I'm more interested in the special shop ticket, and I need to obtain at least the currency. So I need to win solo battles, so I can basically buy the special offer or special ticket plan, or sorry, special offer plan. Okay, and basically the other thing that I want to mention is the re-roll your account. Okay, so going to your cards right here, right? I will basically, you're gonna be able right here to see your card. You can click the hashtag right here at the bottom, right? And you can see the rarity, right? And basically after I search via the rarity, I can scroll and select any card from that matter, let's say a card that I'm interested in, right? And I can just go ahead and see the features. So I can, excuse me, you can see which one I can use for my battles, right? If I scroll and scroll up, you're gonna be able right here to see your basically your draft, right? And you're gonna be able to basically choose the one that actually help you through your battle. If you're having problems with your re-rolling your account, what you're gonna do, click the three bars at the bottom, right? Okay, and then basically click other, and then click account, and then click the delete save data, and basically that means you will delete your information and you're gonna start fresh. Okay, if you're having that problem, and again, you're gonna be able to create your account and create a new save data with creating your account. So next, or lastly, you need to get the premium pass. And the way to get the premium pass, basically by buying, premium cards. And basically, if you want to get the premium, right, what you're gonna do, basically you can see right here, this is the button at the top right next to my account. And as you can see right here, I can buy the premium pass and I can open 2 packs every day. When you subscribe to the premium pass, you can open 1 more pack every day, and I'm gonna be able to get a better chance of improving my drafts and getting the best plan, right? So 10 things to basically do. First, if you're new to the Pokemon TCG, choose your username, open your first pack, reach level 3, complete the battle tutorial, win solo battles, at least 3, complete beginner missions, and complete advanced missions, spend shop tickets, and re-roll your account, which is optional, and get the premium pass for 2 weeks free. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.